Curious about discovering your life's purpose through nature? Let's explore 12 steps to ignite your journey and deepen your connection to the natural world. Start with curiosity. Ask yourself, what natural environments draw you in? The forest, the ocean, or the mountains? Think about what elements in these places captivate you the most, whether it's the vibrant colors, the sounds, or the sense of peace they evoke. Embrace quiet moments. Spend time in nature without distractions. Listen to birds, feel the breeze, and just be present.